Hi everyone, my name is Leena. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing my knowledge and understanding on how to check the career options through planet posited in 10th house through Vedic Astrology. And today I will be discussing Jupiter position in 10th house. So will Jupiter posited in 10th house give same results or give same career to everyone? Absolutely not. So what other factors we need to consider in Vedic astrology? Let's begin. Firstly, you should know what exactly is 10th house. Then understand the planet posited here. As today I am discussing Jupiter, so you need to know what does planet Jupiter signify in career, because this is a career house. And then you should know the friend enemy concept. Is Jupiter posited in a friendly or inimical sign? Then what planets are aspecting and conjunct with Jupiter, because their results will be added to Jupiter results. To check profession, we see 10th lord placement as well, so that will be also noted. Lastly, come to the divisional chart. In career, we see the Dasamsha chart. In this we will check 10th lord of D1 and D10, that is the Dasamsha, and also planet posited in 10th house. I will explain this with the help of a case study. See, in KP we check the strength through cusp script, and then sublord tells the event will occur or not, and then how a planet can change its result due to transit position. I made a lot of videos on KP. If you have missed, subscribe today and check the playlist on KP Astrology. So if you have to analyze your chart, check the videos, go through the blogs, see the mini guide, and then analyze your chart. And if you think you have developed interest and need to make deeper analysis, for this I have created a KP course. The link is in the description box. Check the landing page, see the module details. Okay, now let's come to today's topic. What is 10th house? First understand this. See, the 10th house, it represents name and fame, recognition, success and status. It also rules power and prestige, respect and reputation, ambition, authority in your life. The 10th house, in fact, it describes whether a person will rise in life, create his own empire, or lead an ordinary salary life. And most important part of 10th house, Saturn is the 10th lord of natural zodiac. So Saturn signifies karma and justice. So whichever planet is here, that will have to go through Saturn rules. And as you all know that Saturn gives problems or pain to those who go against his rules and regulations. And Saturn gives results through transit sign and nakshatra. Now next point. What does Jupiter in 10th house signifies? Mainly, see, this is a planet of high learning, intellect and wisdom. And this is posited in the house of karma, a dharma and moksha ruling planet when it takes a seat of karma kshetra. It certainly gives positive results. But here is a huge responsibility of ideologies and discipline that one will have to take into consideration. See, the 10th house Jupiter generally gives profession related to finance, accounts and teachings. A strong Jupiter in the 10th house can give work related to financial organizations, banking, insurance, auditing, and law and order. So lawyers and judges. See, Jupiter is a huge planet. So managerial or higher post in a workplace is ruled by this. Now, what is the Dasamsha chart? See, this tells the inner strength of your profession. And this chart is read just like we read Lagna chart. So I always start my analysis by looking at the first house and then check where it is in Lagna chart. I'll explain this with the help of a case study. Now this is the chart of a person who is the head of the training department in an MNC. See Jupiter in 10th house. Okay, this is debilitated. So we take it as a weak in giving Jeev Sukh, not Nirjeev. There's a difference. Jeev means like Jupiter is a significator of children, and in a female chart it signifies spouse, then your mentor or boss. This is Jeev, and the Jeev is material abundance. Now see lordship of Jupiter. Jupiter is 12th lord plus 9th lord in 10th. So this is also called Dharm Karamadhipati Yog. Okay, so and next see that no planet is aspecting. So take 10th lord. 10th lord is Saturn, and it is in 2nd house of family, finance, speech. And Jupiter aspects Saturn in the 2nd house. So finance will be good. Then 4th house. So home and mother comfort will be there. 6th house is job. Jupiter is aspecting 6th house, Upachaya Bhav. So even that is good. But remember, in 6th house, Mercury sign is here and it is not friendly. So this can give issues. And if you compile all the factors, see that 9th lord in 10th. So higher learnings and trainings in career house. And Dharm Karmadhi Yog is like dharm, like work related to higher knowledge. So let's confirm this from D10 Dasamsha chart. See, first point is that you have to see the yoga in Lagna chart. That will be confirmed from further divisional chart. Its strength will be confirmed. Now again see the Lagna. It is Sagittarius sign, and if you see, Sagittarius sign was here in the higher learning house, the 9th house. So here it became the prime factor, the main approach of the person. And first house of D10 chart tells about the main approach or outlook. So then planets here, Jupiter in Sagittarius, Mool Trikon sign with Ketu and Sun. See, Vedic astrology is vast. It gives such amazing insights. You just need to be slow and patient. Then you will understand. Now Ketu, Sun with Jupiter, and Sun is 9th lord here. If you see, Sun is 9th lord in Lagna, and here Saturn is there. So trainings and managerial post is confirmed. But since there are inimical relations, so those give results in the Dasha Antardasha. Like here 10th house, Mars is in inimical sign and 12th lord as well. So this can make the person change his profession very frequently or give instability in profession. See, the purpose of today's video is to explain that Jupiter in 10th house will not give same results because it needs deeper analysis. Now let's see next chart. Now here Jupiter is in 10th house, but along with Sun and Mercury. Now you have to check the strength of Sun plus Mercury also along with Jupiter. First of all, Jupiter is Lagna Lord and 4th Lord. Okay, so self-interest and passion along with 4th house, that is home related work, is there in your career house. Then is Mercury, 7th and 10th Lord in own house. So business, and that is in own house. And then if you see Mercury and Jupiter, they are not friendly. So Jupiter is weak here, but Mercury is neutral. Next, see 9th Lord Sun. This states that either father link in business or authoritative people involved in your status, or one can be consultant. Okay, so this person he's into interior designing because 4th Lord connection is here in the 10th house, and it also signifies business, as 7th lord is in 10th house in own sign along with 9th lord, consultations. And for interior designing, one needs a lot of creativity and technical knowledge. So 5th lord is in Lagna. Okay. Now if you confirm this in the Dasamsha chart, look at Jupiter. Jupiter is with Rahu and Sun with Ketu in 5th house of creativity. So status and authority, it got ruined. See, Jupiter represents material prosperity. So Jupiter with Rahu, it says one will face a lot of ups and downs. And here, 2nd house of D1 is in the Lagna. So family resources help this person to establish career. And then again, if you see 4th lord in Lagna, so again this is confirmed that home related work will be represented by this person. Mars is exalted here. And Venus 10th lord in 12th house along with 9th and 6th. So Mercury and Venus are in 12th house. Again 9th is linked with the career house, but in 12th house. These combinations state that the person will suffer heavy loss in business, and this person, since he is into interior designing, and in D1 if you see 5th lord in Lagna and very creative and has technical skills, and in D10 4th lord and 11th lord in Lagna. See, if Jupiter is weak, one can take wrong direction or wrong decision when it comes to money or finances. So in the end, I will say follow the procedure step by step, understand each planet and house significance, join them. Don't come to predictions, because for predictions you will have to see Mahadasha and Antardasha and then transit planet. Just see the strength of Jupiter in 10th house. What does it show? Is it giving positive results? Is it strong? Strong in what aspect? Weak in what aspect? And is it active in the timeline? And if weak, then give remedies considering Vastu and Vedic knowledge. So keep learning. I will be coming up with more videos. Take good care of yourself and enjoy learning astrology, because it's beautiful and it works.